Incident reports. Incident reports are written by police officers, security personnel, and anyone who is involved in an incident or accident. As you can see from the story of police constable / police dog Peach, incident reports, here in the form of a witness statement, often are forms one fills out. Even so, it's important to secure the correct form and make sure that you fill in the requested information. Usually, there's a portion of the form where you are asked to tell what happened, to provide the narrative of the event. You will want to double check all information before you commit it to the incident report, which is a legal document. You may have to look up the names and titles of persons involved. You also want to make sure the date is correct and any equipment names or room numbers are correct. Do not write what you think happened. Write where you were and what happened to you or what you saw. Explain what happened after the incident as well. How did you handle it? What did you do? Also, be very clear and avoid any language that might not be understood by people outside your field. Instead of saying you reached for the bandages but they were 86, which is slang for out of, say there were no bandages in the first aid kit. Be honest. Dishonest information can put your job in jeopardy or inhibit your ability to receive medical treatment or compensation for an incident or accident.